Hello friends, this is Dr. Pratik and this video discuss how to create histogram if data is in numerical format using Microsoft Excel. So many a times what happens friends, we collect data through survey and we got this kind of data set. That is what we have here. We have roll number of students and let's say for example we have percentage score of more than 200 students. Now we would like to create a histogram using this data set. So what you can do, you just have to select the percentage column, the data for which you would like to create histogram, go to insert menu and click on this histogram. Once you just click here, within a second your histogram will be created. Now what you can do, click on the chart and you can add data label like this, and there are many options available in Excel. If you want to change the chart type, you can change it from here. Apart from this, if you want to change a color of chart, then you can do like this. Further, if you see this chart at the bottom x-axis, the beans are uneven. You can see here the first bean is from 10 to 23, the second is 23 to 36. So if you want to change this, just click here on format axis, and right hand side one panel will appear. So from here, if you click on bin width, and if you want to just adjust, you can adjust, like for example instead of 13 I'm writing 10. Just click on it, the entire chart automatically will be adjusted according to that bin range. So now you can see the interval class is even. Okay, so that is what you can do. Another thing is, what if you want to reduce the number of beans? Right now the number of beans are 9. So if you want to reduce that number of beans, let's say from 9 to 5, you just have to enter 5 instead of 9, and again the chart has been created accordingly. And suppose you want previous chart, you just click here automatic button, then the previous chart will be appear. So this is how you can create a histogram chart if you have data in numerical format. And lastly, you can modify your title like this. Thank you for watching.